we want to shout to the world that we want to bring FGM to an end once and for all. We have fought this battle for a long time, and we have made progress. According to statistics, in 2014 we were at 21%, but as per 2022 we are now at 15%. We are expecting that the statistics will go lower than that, but we are sad to announce that there has been some resurgence of female genital mutilation in the central region, and as government we are determined to curb it.
Yes, we are happy and we appreciate ourselves as a country that we've made some strides. We've actually tried to reduce these harmful practices, but from the recent statistics, as the PS Gender said, it's like there is a resurgence of the same harmful practices. That's why here today, we are here to sensitize each other, to help our young people understand the effect of this harmful practice that is FGM, and we try and see how we eradicate it completely in our country so that we have a healthy population, as we know that a healthy nation is a wealthy nation.